First off, the scanner can be removed very easily. There is a little lock here. Just press it down gently. The whole piece of scanner actually is loosed. There's no screw holding it. Just press down the little lock and the handle should come off easily. Both lock that hold the scanner would come off in one piece. So that's off. The challenge is not over then. To clean the printer head, and there's 4 screws holding the printer, big screws. If you screw it up, it will never come off. 1, 2, actually few, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, the panel. Well, there is a chance that you can disassemble it, or you might never disassemble it. It depends on your lucky lotteries. However, the panel's off. It's a beautiful little guy. Sadly, it's a very lousy printer. I'll go into why it's lousy. And fancy little display. I got it for bargains. You shouldn't will regret it. The consumption of ink is scary. Panel is off. Oh well, that's not a full disassemble instruction, but however, new technology always bring new problems. The old printer would not have such a design and would not go into the consumption of inks in this kind of pathetic ways. This is a brand new printer. The ink has already gone. And the printer head has been fatally damaged due to the purposefully designed by the manufacturers. Well, there used to be a holder for this printer head. Now has been sadly taken apart. There's 2 locks here. You unlock it with the inward direction, this way. It depends on your lucky numbers for the days and your lucky lotteries. There is a chance that you will never unlock these little clips, and has 2 of them. That increase the difficulty. And the gear head actually is spiral. That's breathtaking. That's something new. Also, there's few holder rubber band to be loosened. So there you got the printer head. It's still not working, the printer head. There's a good old printer head. The black has, this is a new printer, I've never used it. The black has been very well damaged. I think it's due to the design of this so-called automatic cleaning systems. Automatic cleaning systems, the truth is they got a little pump. Well, I may not go into what the automatic cleaning system is. There is a huge box of rubbish waste ink holder. This is a new ink. The new ink will find its way to the waste ink holder. And don't ask me how. I should not explain it. I will not go into it. And the printer head has been soaked in a lukewarm water in order to solve our little difficulty that the black ink is not coming out the way it should. It's still not coming out the way it should. I mean, this printer is off and it will never work again. And I don't know, I have to power it up and find it out. So that's a very brief. Oh, of course, there is a plastic lock that holding on the side of the printer. In order to open it up, you will have to break it. There is no other way. And so after you break the little plastic lock with a little bit of the lottery luck, you might or might not open up the case and reach the printer head. There's nothing special about the printer head. It's just filled with black inks, and it's damaged, sadly. So this is the Brother printer's disassembled brief instructions, and hope you guys happy printings.